In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Calendly paid subscription. We'll walk through where to click and what to expect so you can confidently end a paid plan without losing track of anything important. If you manage billing for a team, make sure you're signed in to the account that has billing permissions, typically the account owner or an admin. Start by opening Calendly in your browser and signing into your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and select Admin Center. This area controls organization-wide settings, so if you don't see it, you may be in a personal view or you might not have the right permissions. Switch to the correct account or ask an admin to follow these steps. Inside the Admin Center, go to Organization. Think of this as the hub for company-level details like users, seats, and ownership. From here, you'll be able to access all billing-related options tied to your current plan. Next, click Billing. This page shows your current subscription, renewal date, payment method, invoices, and seat count. It's the central place for plan changes, including cancellation. Take a quick moment to review your renewal date so you know when changes will take effect. Now, cancel in here. Look for an option labeled Cancel, Manage Plan, or Downgrade. Calendly may guide you through a short confirmation flow asking for a reason and whether you want to end at the close of the current billing period. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. In most cases, your paid features remain active until the end of the term, then your account downgrades automatically to a free plan. If you are on a trial, changes may take effect immediately. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. If your team relies on paid features like routing, workflows, or round-robin scheduling, check upcoming events before confirming cancellation so there are no surprises for invitees once your plan changes. If you only need fewer seats rather than a full cancellation, you can usually adjust seats on this same billing page instead of ending the whole subscription. It's also a good time to download any invoices you need for your records, since they're available right in billing. And remember, cancellations typically apply to the entire organization, not just one user, so make sure everyone who needs access is aware of the change. That's it. Open Calendly, go to Admin Center, head into Organization, click Billing, and cancel from there. Follow the confirmation prompts, review your renewal timing, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel your Calendly paid subscription with confidence.